Okay, so today we're going out to collect some eggs and yeah, so sit back and relax and enjoy the video. Come on, Binks, 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 Binks. There, got some eggs in there, huh? Got some big turds too. And got some eggs in there. Oh, they're blue. Nothing. There's Binksy. Hi, Binks. How's it going? Oh, do you want to say hi? Oh.
Use your other hand to go. Oh, all right.
Mm-hmm.
What do you want, Cat? Oh, sorry, dog. Cat.
So that's all we're doing today. And really nothing else, just a normal day at the hobby farm. We just collect some eggs. So yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to the hobby farm. It's kind of a gloomy day today. It started off like 62 degrees this morning and it's down to like 42 now. So I'm gonna launch the chickens out and feed them some bread and see what else we can get into. Guys, you want out? Well, let's go see what the other ones. They took all of them took off over here. We'll throw some bread to them guys. Yesterday was such a nice day. I mean, I even got my garden tilled up, so I got all the fertilizer that I put in. I got that all mended in, and so it was a good day. I mean, the ground thawed out enough that I could do that. And I got the one raised bed done, so in good shape. Hopefully they didn't go in. Oh, there they are. They're all over here. What are you guys doing in here? Huh, chickens? Chick, chick, chick. Maybe I can get them to come over here. Alright, it's enough of that. They'll chew on that bread for a while. But pretty much got all muddy again. It rained all this morning. But hey, that's alright. I got some things done yesterday for sure. But, yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys. I don't really have anything going on. It's a busy work week. I did get the tractor moved in. Take you guys in there and look at that. And, like I said, I got the garden all tilled up. Got the raised bed tilled up a little bit. It needs some topsoil added to it, but the garden looks pretty good. So if I hit that again another maybe twice, 2 more times, should be in good shape. Let's go in here and check out the tractor. Haven't started working on yet, tearing that steering box out, but one of these days we'll get at it. It is so muddy. Yeah, that's the mess. You guys can see that. I gotta pull this box off right here. All this has got to come off. All that good stuff. Turn this radio down. But here in about 2 weeks or so, I'm going to build a hog pen. Get that going so we can get some hogs in here later this year. And we also got our meat birds coming here in a couple weeks. So I got to get the brooders put together and ready to go. We usually start them here in the garage, and then we'll move them outside. So I got to come up with something outside for them to be safe in, and probably just like maybe a chicken tractor. I can pull it with the tractor around the yard or whatever. You know, we only keep those for 8 weeks, so it's not very long. And then shortly after that, we'll get our turkeys for the fair, and those we just put in a horse stall and feed them in there. Let them out every now and then. The kids have to work with them. They got to flip them upside down to show them and stuff, so they got to get used to doing that. And then the garden will be coming here probably another week or so. I'll get like at least the onions and maybe lettuce and stuff like that in there. So there's a lot coming up. And you know, working on the rental, so I got some carpet and flooring to put down over there, a little bit of painting, and that'll be done. And we've already got it rented back out. So that house usually doesn't stay or doesn't set idle very long. Last renters were in there for 11 years. So hopefully this one will be more of the same. So yeah, I just want to check in with you guys. You know, it's just a little vlog, but that's the stuff that's upcoming. Never got a chance to put this wood burner in. Hopefully I can get it installed this summer. So this next winter I can use it and then do a little insulation in this garage. So a whole bunch of stuff coming up. And you know, hopefully a lot of building is gonna come up. We're gonna put another lean-to on the north side of the barn for implements and stuff like that, and tractors, so they can stay inside and out of the weather. And that's about it. So give me a like, and I'll catch you guys later.